Hey everybody, it's Gene here. I am troubleshooting an old notifier. This is, I don't know what kind. There's the part number there, but model 4885-2. They had a false alarm. Well, they had an alarm today. Came out to check it out, and I really don't know where to look. They've got a bunch of different things on combined pull stations and smokes, but I decided to check my circuits. I metered the output for the zone. It's putting out 20 volts DC. I decided to check for ground faults just out of curiosity. So I've got it hooked up here on a cold water pipe above. And I've got 1.2 mega ohms to ground. I'm gonna switch here and over to the other leg, and same thing. I was gonna just pack it up and head out for the day, come back fresh tomorrow maybe, and then I decided, you know what, I always do, and I didn't do it now, is check for voltage inductance. So I try to make this my habit. Whenever I test for ground faults, I always see if there's any AC voltage on the line. And I'm glad I did, because I got 2.2 volts AC. The code, National Fire Alarm Codes, I think it lets you, or maybe it's the NEC, I forget which, tells you that you can have up to 1 volt AC on your line. I have had more than 2.2 volts AC. And usually when you get above 2, you start having issues like false alarms. It could just be a dirty smoke. These smokes are super old. The circuitry in this system is pretty suspect. As you can see, it's just kind of, it's been sitting here for years, and they've had renovations in this building. The building's super old. So that's just something I'm gonna put in the back of my mind. I know we've got AC inductance, we've got a ground fault. It may not care, the panel, but something to keep in mind when you're troubleshooting is to look for ground faults. Don't just disregard it. It could be part of the problem.